Kakudai! Kakudai!
Os. Hi guys, my name is Jason Leung and welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson, we are learning kata kankudai. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Alright guys, kata kankudai. Starting off in bowing position, go ahead, os. Coming into yoi, like so. Now the first position, you're gonna put your left hand over your right, kind of like a triangle, like so. And then you're gonna have like a window between your hands, and this kata kind of loosely translates into viewing the sky. So the opening sequence, you're raising your arms up, okay, and then you're looking through the window of your hands, open, and then right comes to the left, everything comes to center. Now from this position, you're gonna drop down into shuto, joran. Okay, so high open hand block, okay, kokutsudachi back stance. Okay, now from here, I'm going to shift to the other side. Same thing, kokutsudachi, joran open hand block. Now from here, coming up, neutral stance, tate shuto, open hand, kamae. Then chokuzuki to churan though, not joran, not giran. Churan, and then uchioke. Again, one more. Just like kata heianiran, chamber, yoko geri, keage, and land in shutoge. So this is very similar to kata heianiran, almost identical from this point. So we do another shutoge, one more, then kiai, hai, right here. Okay, this is nukite. Left hand underneath the elbow, spear hand thrust. Now from this position, you're gonna go a high-low guard. So the hand, left hand, sweeps down, open hand. Right hand winds up for Shuto Uchi. Okay? Okay, striking at the neck or the temple. In high, Shuto, Joran Ageuke. Okay, now from here, you're gonna go Maegeri Keage, land in Manjioke. Okay, Manjioke like Heian Goran. Okay, Kokutsudachi, Nagashiuke. Okay, shift from Kokutsudachi to Zenkutsudachi. Okay, you're here, coming up, downward block. Okay, standing up, feet are in L position. From here, wind up, and Shuto Uchi in high block over here. So repeat, Maegeri Keage. Manjiuke, Nagashiuke. Okay, now from this position, same thing. Downward block, standing up, feet in L position. Okay, from here, just like Heian Yondan, you're gonna go Yoko Geri Keage. Okay, side snap kick, land in Empiuchi, elbow strike. From here, left. Okay, repeat on the other side. And then from this position, like Heian Shoran, Heian Niran, you go Shutoke to the direct side, to the corner, the side, and to the corner. Gen Shuto Uchi, shift to Zenkutsudachi. Okay, kick, block, parry, landing in Kosadachi. Okay, Uraken, backhand. From here, Uchiuke. Okay, stepping back. You want to make sure your hips are in hamni, so hips are back, not square. Okay, Uchiuke, double punch. From here, shoot and land. Okay, both hands, fingertips on the ground, eyes forward. You want to make sure your back heel is not off the ground. Okay, right here, have control, hands in, and then sprout up in a low Shutoke. Hands here, Kokutsudachi. Step forward, Shutoke. Okay, spin. Uchioke, hips are in hamni. Okay, hips to the back, angled back. Load it up, Gyakuzuki. Other side, Uchioke. Double punch. From here, wind up, Yoko Geri Keage, land into Shutoge. So you see a lot of elements from the Heian series. The Heian series, Basai, and then you will also see Teki coming up. So once you land, shoot forward, Nukite. Now from this position, with my front hand, rotate my palm towards me, spin, Uraten, backhand up high. Stance is Kibadachi. From this position, with your left hand, you wind up, hammer fist, and shift your entire body. Right? Just like Teki Shoran. A hand that is chambered, okay, downward block. And then from here, you're gonna go Fumikomi, turn the wheel. I often imagine this as throwing an opponent. Okay, catch and throw, Hime, shoot up, Juji, okay, X block, spin around. From here, you're gonna go Nidan Geri, okay, double kick in the air, within the air, land, Uraken, backhand. Okay, you're here, hey! Coming up, back to Yoi, and bow. All right, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm gonna count it out for you guys step by step. So let's get right into it. Starting off, we're gonna take our bow. Os, hayoi. Ich, ni, san, shi, ho, ro, 1、2、はい。3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、1、2、3、4、はい。はい、やめ。はい、なる。Alright guys, now you know kata kankudai. Thank you for watching this video. Train hard, have fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Os.